So we're starting off this video with the unboxing, and this one is from Xrsbeauty, guys. This is a hair that we're going to be installing. We're going to keep that aside while we get into the goodies. Now, they did send me this wide tooth comb as well as this edge brush that comes with like this spatula side. You do have this elastic strap that is detachable, as well as this wig cap and the rollers as well. Now guys, this one is the hair that we are going to be installing and reviewing in this video. This one is the Kinky curly human hair. It is a 13x6 lace front wig, and it is in their new clear lace and clean hairline style. This is what it looks like. This is what the curl pattern looks like. This is what the construction of the wig looks like as well. Now I'm just going to show you what the lace looks like. This is their new clear lace. You guys can see that it blends well into my skin, basically disappears into my skin, and the hairline is amazing. Now, like I said, this comes with a detachable elastic band, so you can remove this, you can put this on back if you want. Now, this is what the transparent lace looks like compared to the new clear lace. I'm gonna just attach this to my hand just so you guys can see the comparison. The new clear lace basically just melts into my skin. I find that it's a bit darker, so it blends with my dark skin tone. Now, up close so you guys can see the difference on the back of my hand, and you guys can see that the new clear lace basically just melts in. So moving on to installation, my hair is braided all back, and we're gonna do a little bit of dance. Yep. This is the hair we're going to be working with again. This is the Kinky curly human hair. I'm going to put this on my hair and make sure it is aligned to my hairline and it feels comfortable as well. This is what the hairline looks like, as well as what the lace looks like. It comes pre-plucked, guys. You don't have to do anything with this. You just have to pretty much just cut the lace off and glue it down. So I'm going to be cutting off the excess lace because, again, we want this to fit our head and we want to fit the frame of our hairline as well. Now, this is what it is looking like. I felt like this widow's peak was a little bit too much, so I'm going to just remove that so I get a realistic hairline, because my hairline is a bit receding at that side. I don't have a widow's peak, so I'm going to be cutting that off with the lace right here, and that's what I'm doing. You want to make sure that your installation matches your hairline, so that way it looks natural. Or you could do do whatever makes you happy and comfortable. So I'm cutting off the excess lace, and this lace is so thin, like it's so easy to cut, so you want to be careful while doing this. I'm just doing this in like zigzag motion and making sure that the edges are not too straight, so that way it looks natural when we install. Moving the lace back, I'm gonna just start spraying my hairspray so that way we can glue it down. And I'm using the other side of the edge brush, this side that kind of has like a flat spatula, side to it. I'm pressing in and spreading out the glue. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm also letting this get a little bit tacky before I go ahead to press this down, right? Leaving it on for a couple of seconds so that way it melts. I'm just pressing this down gently, melting down the lace while I focus on the sides of the lace as well. Now, you do want to take your time while doing this. It usually takes me less than 5 minutes to install a lace frontal at this point, because I love using like a spray. This spray is a lifesaver. I'm just going to melt down the sides. So I'm trying to do this install section by section so that way we get like a decent install. I find that doing this section by section makes your install turn out looking amazing. So I'm just going to focus on one side of the head and then go on to the next side when I'm done. I'm laying this down gently with this comb, pressing it down so that way it sticks to the the glue. And look at that, look at the hairline, look at the frontal, like the pre-plucked frontal, looks amazing. So now I like what it's looking like. I'm trying to see if I can find any lifting I did see some lifting, so I'm going ahead to use that spray, the ebony spray, just a little bit of it to help tack it down. And now I'm using my elastic band to help melt that lace so that way it looks melted, like it's growing from my scalp. Now I'm gonna head to style this hair. I want to do like a deep side part because I feel like it's going to look amazing. I'm gonna head to also finger comb this hair because if you want to see the real volume and the real like vavavoomness, if that even makes any sense, of this hair, you need to like comb it out or finger comb it using your hands. This is what it looks like taking off the hairband. Look at that melt. Now let's go into styling, guys. I'm going to be styling this hair so that way it fits my face and we get the best look from this hair. And to do that, I'm going to be trimming off this hair just so it frames my face a little bit. I want the front to have a little bit of like layers, right? So I'm just cutting off layers and, you know, finger combing it out as well. I'm also cutting out layers for the bangs as well, so that way it falls beautifully around my face. And that's what we're doing now. I'm not doing anything too crazy. I'm just chopping off about like 1 inch, but I'm doing that strategically in the areas that I want, you know, it to look amazing. Okay, so yeah, look at it looking amazing already. We haven't even done too much and I love it. This is the natural state of this hair, guys, without using any product. And I feel like if you like this afro vibe, kinky vibe, natural vibe, full hair, this is gorgeous for that, and this would give you that. Now I'm doing a little bit of like a swoop baby hair situation, and I recently started liking doing this, but nothing too intense or too serious. Now I'm using my mousse to help lay the baby hair down and also style the baby hair as well. And guys, this takes practice. I don't think I'm good at laying down baby hair, but we just make it work, right? Just a little bit of swoop, that curve, and we're good to go. This will also help in hiding the lace if you want that. So if you want volume, you've got volume. This is volume. This is a kinky curly hair and I love it, right? You can style your hair like this and be out the door. However, I'm going to be using a little bit of water and some mousse to help revive the curl and to help kind of tame the curl, but to give it the best pattern that it could get, right? Now I've got to tell you that because this is a kinky hair, it does have a lot of volume, so you do want to work in sections. So I'm using my mousse and I'm saturating that section with the mousse just so it kind of fills in the hair and it kind of helps in reviving the curl. Now look at what the curl pattern looks like. Gorgeous. So I'm doing this, like I said, section by section because this hair is a lot and you do want to make sure that you're working through it. You don't want to leave any section out, so take your time, do this to get the best results. And I'm going to be doing this, like I said, section by section. I'm just going ahead to just like twist, finger curl the hair just so we can revive the curl and make it look amazing. So this is what the frontal looks like, pushing it back, guys. It looks so good. I did a good job. And yeah, I want to just use my hot comb just to run it through the lace. This is what this hair is looking like. See that volume, see the curls, and see the frontal. Now I'm going to be using my contour powder to help blend my, you know, face to the hair, my makeup to the hair, just to help mask that lace a little bit, even though I felt like it was clear and almost invincible. But yeah, we just want to give it the best result, and guys, this is the result. What do you guys think about this hair. What are your thoughts? Do you like the style? Did we do a good job? Let me know down in the comment section. All the details of this hair will be in the description box, so be sure to check it out. Thank you so much XrsBeauty for sending me this gorgeous hair, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.